Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in a new setting right now. JT bought some new lights for his work stuff, and so I figured I'd use it, and it's getting dark and the baby's taking a nap. I personally like more personable YouTube videos where you can see the background of their house or their study or whatnot, but every so once in a while it's okay to change it up like this. What do you guys think? Anyways, I don't know how to adjust the lighting on this, so I'm like being super blinded, but I wanted to quickly come on here because I have an unboxing. I have an unboxing from Fashionphile in this big box here, and I wanted to do it with you guys. First, I just want to say thank you so much for all of you guys voting on Instagram about actually all of you guys pretty much said to get this bag. I personally, well actually let me get into the unboxing. The title will probably indicate what this bag is, but it comes in this big box from Fashionphile. Let me scoot over. This massive box from Fashionphile. It didn't come with a box of its own. Okay, and then here's the receipt. If you guys aren't familiar, they send you a receipt and used as a new. And then thank you. Here's their little logo. I personally have bought most of my pre-loved bags from Fashionphile, so I really trust them. And yeah, if you guys have never gone to them, I think they're awesome. And then it comes with their new calendar for 2017. Really cute, excited about that. Okay, so here it is. It comes in this big wrapping. The dust bag. It didn't come with a dust bag either. It just came with the authenticity card, and that is it. Okay. So I purchased the Chanel Gabrielle Hobo bag in silver. Okay, so let me look at it really quickly. I knew that it was gonna have some dents and scratches, and I saw it in the pictures. And usually Fashionphile, when I order things from Fashionphile, the items are not as bad as what they are described or as bad as the picture indicates. But in this case, I feel like the scratches are a little bit more than what the pictures showed. But actually, I mean, I knew there were scratches, so that's why this bag was like a lot cheaper than what retail is. And in a way, although there's scratches, I knew it was inevitable to get scratches on this bag on the base. But in kind of a way, it doesn't really bother me as much as I thought it would bother me, because this is the distressed calfskin. But anyways, before I get into that, I got the Chanel Gabrielle Hobo bag in the medium size in the metallic silver. I put a poll on Instagram asking whether I should get the black or the black and white or the silver. Actually 80% of you guys ordered black, and then I wanted mostly the white and black, but then I started talking to a few people and realized that I feel like the white would get dirty, but my heart is I still really love that bag, and I'm still contemplating choosing between the two. I'm not sure, we'll see. But anyways, yeah, so I know that this is either a love or hate relationship. When I first saw this bag, I did not like it at all. I actually really thought it was just, I felt like it looked like a grandma or kind of dated. But as I started looking at it more and I started seeing the ways that you could wear it, I fell even more in love with it. And then I was like, you know what? I feel like this bag is pretty functional and people keep raving about it. So I went into the store to my local Chanel boutique, and I saw it in person, and I just like fell in love with it. I mean, I already started falling in love with it because of the functionality, but then once I saw like the chains and the different colors of the chains, then I really fell in love. And I also feel like this bag is would be a really awesome diaper bag. I mean, I pretty much use a couple of my luxury bags as diaper bags, but I figured this would be a good rotation into it. It fits a lot. I feel like this year I have so many black bags in my collection that I felt like I wanted to this year be more bold and get what I want. I feel like I always stick to the classics and it's kind of just boring, I guess. And you know, life is short, so I kind of want to do the things that I want to get. I feel like it's really fashion forward and I feel like it's very unique. So I chose, actually let me look at it really quick while we're on camera before I go on. So yeah, I'm looking at the bag and I'm like in love with the hardware. It's so cool. It's like ruthenium and then it has silver and then it has some gold. Let me see if you can see. So there you go. And then the CC's is gold, which this lighting, it almost looks, yeah, it's like a brushed gold. For Fashionphile, you can, as long as you keep the tags on, you can keep the bag for 30 days, as long as you don't take off the tags, and then once you take off the tags, it's yours. So I'm still gonna think about it. I really like it, but I might go for the white and black, or there's a Fendi Peekaboo that I really like. So I really love this bag, but I'm kind of concerned about that, the marks on the side for the price of this bag. So other than that, this is such a beautiful bag. I'll show you quickly what it looks like on. Oh, also before I do that, if you haven't seen Mel's video, Mel from Mel in Melbourne, she did a video on the 12 ways to wear this the Chanel Gabrielle. That's a really good helpful video on the different ways to wear it. And also I just wanted to say thank you so much, Sam, and all of you, Kat, Maddie, Carol, and Connor, for helping me out personally and giving me advice. And also Sam said something really funny. She said Tabby needs a Gabby. So pretty much that was my mantra before ordering this. Tabby needs a Gabby. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so the baby just woke up from a nap, so I brought her down. So if you hear little baby noises, that's what it is. But before I forgot to mention the inside. I didn't get to show you the inside of the bag. So it zips up very smoothly. Oh, it smells really new, which is nice. And it comes with a red linen or cloth lining rather than leather, and I like it that way because leather makes it heavier. So this bag is relatively, it's not that bad. Yeah, and it looks new. It has a little bit of like little food marks inside, but that's okay. And inside has a little zipper. It has Chanel. It's a stuffing baby. And it comes with the authenticity card. It's a 23 series. Eat. So it came with the information like this. And then here's the back. The price that they got it for. I will give you a little hint. I got it over $1,000 off. And it's in relatively, it says very good condition. I'm guessing that they put the price so down because of the dents. But I was talking to JT and he's like, you know, if you really love the silver bag, sorry, I took a break. So when I went to go get the baby, I showed JT the bag. And he's like, you know, if you really love the silver bag, just keep it because eventually you're gonna wear it. And as much as I take care of my bags, I feel like it's inevitable for this, like, this leather to get scratched. It's gonna happen anyway. So it's growing and growing on me. The last thing I want to do is go look at it in natural lighting, like in my in the lighting outside. Okay, so back to the inside. Then it has like 2 pockets in the inside. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Yes, 2 pockets in the inside with a lipstick holder. But yeah, right now I am carrying my Chanel GST. So I don't know if some of you guys are familiar with size reference, but here's a little comparison. Here's a huge Chanel GST, and then here's the medium. Wow, I didn't realize it was that much bigger. I thought they were almost closer. So I guess this would be closer to the larger size. But yeah, I am currently using my GST as a diaper bag, and I don't know, I'm contemplating selling it. I don't know. I love the way that the handles sound, and I also really like the story behind me getting it. And so I don't know, and I like the compartments for the baby for a diaper bag, so I might keep it, but I don't know. We shall see. I really do like it though. I just find it to be kind of, anyways, this, I'll do another video on that. But yeah, so that is it. Here is my Chanel Gabby, Chanel Gabrielle, hashtag Tabby needs a Gabby, and also hashtag Cat made me do it, Cat LSM. She has a beige and black Chanel Gabrielle Hobo bag, and I'll link her channel below. She's awesome and has really good reviews. Sam Snape HVP has a black one, and she does a good review and reveal of that as well. And so, and who else? Oh, and then also Mel from Mel in Melbourne. She just posted a video on the gold small. So yeah, go ahead and watch that. She just posted that this morning. So that is it, guys. So if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Do you like this color? Do you think I should keep it? Oh, Atlee, don't kick it. Do you think I should keep it, or do you think I should return it? Do the scratches bother you, or what do you think? I wonder if the leather surgeons can fix it. So, or if not, just embrace it. But I love the color. Okay, well anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys very much. And Atlee's gonna say bye-bye too. She just woke up. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say I love you. Bye-bye. Say I love you. I love you. Oh, do you like your new diaper bag? Do you like it? Why? Is it pretty? I'm never made a push. Hit me. Yeah, is it pretty? No, go past. But is it pretty? Oh, be but yeah. Say thank you. Thank you. Say bye. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. I love you. Bye.